The need to exit from simulation to simplify, correct, or even add to a CAD model can be a cumbersome task, and often the analyst working within simulation may not typically use the CAD program, resulting in added time to resolve small problems just to be able to simulate it. To help simplify and streamline these tasks for analysts, Autodesk Moldflow subscription users have access to download and use our direct modeling cloud-based CAD tool, Autodesk Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a powerful CAD program, and in the hands of analysts, can not only help with fixing and modeling geometry, but also provides its own simulation capabilities for structural and CAM setups. Within Autodesk Moldflow, sending CAD models to Fusion 360 is simple. Just select the Fusion 360 button within the Geometry tab of the ribbon, then the CAD bodies to send. Once sent, Fusion 360 opens into its Simplify work environment, which is set up specifically for analysts to modify models prior to simulation. You can simply select features or faces manually and delete, or use the Remove Features tool to automatically select all features that fall within a relative tolerance and delete them in one step. Manual fix tools such as patch or stitch and traditional modeling tools to add geometry are also easily reachable within this environment. Fusion 360 is a direct modeling program, meaning you are able to modify existing CAD faces using push or pull techniques, so you don't have to master traditional CAD modeling practices. When returning to Moldflow, Moldflow houses the new model in a new study within your project, enabling you to reference back to the original and compare designs. Being a CAD program, you can also start from within Fusion 360. Modeling a new part or assembly, you can use the Model, Patch, or Sculpt environments. Fusion 360's inspection tools can help to check things like continuity, curvature, and even inspect draft angles. After modeling, the part can be pushed into either an existing or new Moldflow project, or it can be exported as a neutral CAD file. This makes creating multiple design iterations a breeze, providing an opportunity to optimize your designs. Post-processing tools within Fusion 360 can be run while running the Moldflow analyses on things such as static stress and modal frequency, all using cloud solving capabilities with Autodesk Cloud credits. If involved in tool creation, you can also switch to the Fusion 360 CAM environment to set up and simulate cutting of tool components. From simple CAD modification tools to advanced simulation capabilities, Autodesk Fusion 360 is the perfect companion for an analyst working with Autodesk Moldflow, letting you spend less time modeling and get to the right design faster.